Hi Luke, it's Grandma. I have a new book to read you. It's called Bulldozer Helps Out. The construction site bustled. There's a lot going on, right? Cement mixer was stirring. Digger truck was scooping. And the crane truck was lifting. And Bulldozer was watching, he said with a sigh. Puffing some smoke from his stack, he bumped to where the other trucks worked. "I can help," he exclaimed. He raised his blade hopefully. Here he is down here. He wants to help. "You're too little," rumbled Dump Truck. "You'll get hurt." "Building skyscrapers is a rough, tough job," clattered Cement Mixer. "For tough, rough trucks," rattled Digger. Bulldozer turned away. There he is. He is little. The big trucks looked at one another. "But maybe," clanged Crane. "See over there," Crane pointed. "That needs to be cleared and flattened." I can do it, cried Bulldozer. "So what are you waiting for, kid?" grumbled Roller Truck. Bulldozer has to go over and clear that all up. He said he can do it. "Hooray!" squealed Bulldozer, honking his horn. He zoomed, bump, vroom, to his work site. Once there, he revved his motor. He lowered his blade. Charge! Off he goes. Oh, there he goes into the stuff. He's gonna bulldoze it all up. He sat, smoke puffing from his stack, for a moment. Then he gave the pile a little nudge. Then a second, then a third. And when he'd gotten it just right, he hunkered down, hushed and watchful. His motor hummed soft as a lullaby. Hours passed. What's going on? At last, the other trucks bumped to where Bulldozer was working. He hadn't done a single thing they asked. What's going on? "I thought he was big enough," boomed Digger. "I thought he was rough enough," rattled Scraper. "I thought he was tough enough," clattered Grader. "Move out of the way, kid," roared Roller. "I'll fix that in no time flat." But Bulldozer wouldn't budge. Instead, he whispered, "Shh." "How rude," belched Cement Mixer. "Shh." "Behave yourself," rattled Scraper. "Shh." "You mind, Roller Truck, this minute," clanged Crane. "Shh." Then, above the banging, rattling, rumbling, floated a tiny, sweet sound. The trucks quieted, and in the silence, a chorus of gentle mews rose into the air. "Is that what I think it is?" boomed Digger. Bulldozer raised his blade. He moved aside. Look who was there! Kitty cats and their mommy. "They're pretty cute, kid," said Dump Truck. "But taking care of babies? Now that's a rough, tough job." I can do it, cried Bulldozer. The big trucks looked at one another again. "We believe you can," clanged Crane. And he did. Oh, look at Bulldozer taking care of all those kitties. How nice. That's the end. Hope you liked it. Grandma loves you.